Stryten Energy is a U.S.-based manufacturer of energy storage solutions. We are at the forefront of advancing energy storage in the U.S. with a unique suite of domestically manufactured battery solutions. Our domestic, vertically integrated supply chain is the foundation of the energy ecosystem of the future, setting the U.S. on the path to energy resilience and independence. We power everything from forklifts in warehouses and distribution centers to cars, trucks, and submarines, to microgrids, data centers, military bases, and vast telecom networks. We produce 14 gigawatts annually of energy storage capacity across our 11 plants in the U.S., with 2,500 employees. We invest in domestic lithium battery assembly to support its next-generation battery production for military, essential power, and industrial applications. Stryten Energy is building advanced lithium-ion battery technology with NMC and LFP chemistries to provide greater energy density, longer run times, and faster charging, making it ideal for applications requiring more power. Additionally, we are developing lithium batteries in partnership with the Defense Innovation Unit to support Department of Defense goals and strengthen the domestic supply chain for battery technologies. Our new lithium manufacturing facility in Cumming, Georgia, assembles Stryten's new LI700 line of lithium batteries. This facility is a key component to achieving Stryten's vision to add 10 gigawatts of energy storage capacity annually, bringing our total capacity to 24 gigawatts annually. This expansion will enhance the domestic supply chain of batteries for various applications, including military, transportation, and material handling. Our military lithium batteries use cells sourced from NATO-friendly countries and stand ready to incorporate domestic cells when available at scale. Our lithium batteries are built using our proprietary module design and BMS developed domestically, ensuring high performance, safety, and security. In partnership with the Defense Innovation Unit, we are developing lithium batteries to support Department of Defense goals. Through the DIU FastBat program, we are producing a 6T lithium battery prototype, a naval aviation cases battery prototype, and a standard module battery prototype. This research and development also supports lithium battery technology for our customers in the material handling industry and stationary storage applications, such as battery energy storage systems. By utilizing a common module and assembly process, Stryten can drive economies of scale for DoD and commercial customers, while ensuring a secure source for military batteries into the future. Stryten Energy is committed to partnering with the DoD's mission for domestically made batteries that utilize a U.S.-based, sustainable, vertically integrated supply chain, while also serving the needs of our commercial customers. The path to American energy security can and must rely upon domestic companies like Stryten Energy, who manufacture batteries that keep supply chains running and critical infrastructure supplied with the backup power required to keep their operations running smoothly. Stryten's investments in this facility and its innovative technologies are crucial for achieving true energy resilience and supporting the growing energy demand in the U.S.